Hello there! My name is Zoya, I'm in the USA. Today's video is going to be in English, sorry about that. So, in this video I want to tell you about my job search, because we just arrived and I'm looking for a job. How do I do this? And about a job fair which I have visited recently. And about the library, like real American library, where I actually took some books absolutely for free. So let's go and watch it.
As I finished university in Omsk, my qualification is translator and linguist, which is not really a profession here in the USA, only just a bachelor degree. But in the area where we live, it's necessary to have more like handy job, because there are a lot of manufacturing here. So I started my job search with visiting an unemployed office, where I saw a lot of interesting information which you could see, like photographs of it, and there was an appointment, not really announcement about a job fair which takes place regularly in the library. That's why we went to the library. It's right here, it's a museum, and right there on the left there is a library, so we went there. And in this job fair there are a lot of manufacturers, their representatives, and they tell you about their job openings which they are hiring right now. And I talked to many people. I got a lot of business cards and like job invitations. So after this job fair, I've already visited gear manufacturer, and I have an invitation for the next week for knitting to the knitting factory. Theoretically, of course, I do have a resume on Indeed and LinkedIn, but in our area there are not really many, office jobs, and they're just manufacturers. So I need to find something like basic as soon as I don't have driver license and I cannot ride to Charlotte. And after the job fair, I went to the library itself. So now I have a library card. Again, to sign into the library, you need to have 2 proofs of address with you, and of course your ID, like driver. I have a passport, so passport is okay. And that's it. And you can take a book. I took 3 books. There are video cassettes. It looks like there are even games. That's only adult section which I walked around. Also there is a section for children. It's really huge. And it's not really big city where I live, it's like a village really. And there are 2 libraries in it, and it's a main office, so it's a big library, and there is like a additional department. I haven't seen it yet, so I just walked around this one. Like this, that's not a book, it's audiobooks, and anybody can take these audiobooks, put in CDs. I opened it because it looked really interesting. Pull to open. So what's inside? There is really a disc. I was looking forward to see a cassette, because I wouldn't be surprised to see a cassette or some like tape inside, but no, yet it's still a disc. Also, there are some more points which I'd like to point out about search of job. You can use different varieties like marketplace, or not really marketplace, but sometimes groups on Facebook in your local place where you live, in the city where you are. And then you can use, I'm not sure that Craigslist is a good idea, but some resources like Indeed, LinkedIn, and some other specifics exactly about job search. Then you can visit unemployment office, and you can also try charity organizations. They also help you finding job, and they can also help you with learning some new professions there. And what else can be useful? Asking people. And really I just apply on different websites. Like I visited a Walmart website, and there is always a link, careers, or work with us, and you can send your resume over there. Resume, or just click a play button, whatever is there. And of course, just visit local shops around you, wherever it's comfortable for you to start looking, if you don't have any professions or whatsoever, like me. And it's for people who don't belong to IT sphere and who really need to find a physical job, something for beginning in the USA, because not everybody is able to work in the office. So good luck with it, and let's continue looking around the library. While signing into the library, I talked to the guy, to the librarian, who told me about other services which you can get in the library. Like they have online, and there you can get online books, and for free especially. And there have copy machine, 10 cents per copy. You don't really need to go to FedEx or wherever. It's really expensive there. And here is a copy machine where you can do a copy if you need it. And there is even 3D printer, which they provide. I don't really know how it works, but he said that they really do have it. And books, cassettes, magazines. You can find the book online. They have computers over there. If you need to find exact book and you don't know where it is, so you can see the position on the shelf, and it may be not exactly in this library, but maybe it's some other city. So while it's connected to the whole one network in North Carolina, so they can get this book from another library for you within several days. I haven't tried this experience. I think there are enough books for us here. Marvel comics, and really one of them is now in my house because I plan to read it, and we are going to read it with my sons, I suppose. Still, we need to go to the children's sections. That's for teenagers. Really, they try to attract teenagers to reading, as I understand. I don't know if it's successful or not. I saw several people, but it's not crowded. But I saw people with children coming into the library, and you saw that there are a lot of cars outside at the parking lot. On the second floor in our library there are computers, and they are in every library, and you can have internet access there. And if you need to print some documents, you can also use library. I don't know how you pay for it, you can really for free use a computer with the internet, and then I'm not sure about payment, about printing. So thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye bye.